I'm your girl Leonis, also known as Online Extension Officer. Welcome to today's episode, whereby we are going to focus on pig production. First of all, let me take this opportunity to thank Mr. Coletta, a farmer in my whole ward, Taveta Sub-County, who is currently doing pig production. He hasn't been for long in this business, but he has made a huge progress so far. The secret behind his progress is constantly consulting veterinary officers and experienced farmers on matters relating to pig housing, breed sourcing, feeds and feeding, and disease control. To tackle the biggest challenge of increased cost of animal feeds, he does on-farm feed formulation, and he sources his feeds ingredients at a neighboring country, whereby they are sold at a relatively cheap price. But with this climate change effect, some of the raw materials are becoming very difficult to get them at the market, so he is planning or opting to produce them at his own farm. While discussing with him, I realized pig farming is booming again after it had collapsed during the COVID-19 period. The demand of pork is increasing while only few farmers are rearing pigs. So this is a venture whereby farmers needs to look into it. Currently, Mr. Coletta is rearing the crosses of Landrace, Duroc, Landrace and Duroc. And guys, so far, have you seen the structures? How is it? Kindly comment down below on this video and let me hear your views about the structure.